Hey guys, Mark Dayton here, and today we are going to discuss LiveGood. And should you join it? Is it worth marketing in 2026? What is the lowdown on LiveGood? Before I go on, I just want to say this really quick. I'm not biased with this review, and here's the reason why is because I'm actually a customer. I purchase the supplements and I use it, but I don't build it as a business. So I kind of want to hit both angles at you, really just to kind of help you make a decision for yourself. And if you pay attention to the end of this video, I'm gonna actually show you something that I really think is gonna blow your mind. So LiveGood from a customer point of view. The supplements are great. The supplements are untouchable for me. Like, I don't know that much about supplements because they're too expensive. I can never buy them. LiveGood actually lets you get them at wholesale, right? So every time like someone's had a great product, for example, in network marketing, it's like, yeah, get this 30 days of vitamins for $80 a month. It's just like, I'm not doing that. No way I'm doing that, right? So here with LiveGood is you actually get one of the highest quality supplements. Most of them that I use personally, they're certified organic, which is incredible. And they actually have like third-party testing. So product wise, man, LiveGood is it. I love the products. I will probably continue to purchase the product, and it's beautiful. Now, let's talk about it from a business point of view. Here's the thing with building LiveGood as a business, as your source of income. The wave of LiveGood when it first came out was insane. Tons of people joined. Everybody and their mother and their grandmother joined LiveGood. So you were seeing a ton of people make a ton of money pretty quickly right out of the gate, right? But years have gone by, and I will tell you this, that's not the case anymore. To build LiveGood, you actually need to personally sponsor and recruit hundreds and hundreds of people to even make anything worth the time that you're investing into it. Because the unfortunate part of LiveGood as a business is you make 25 cents per person in your downline. 25 cents. So I'm seeing people work their butts up picking up quarters off the ground. Now, that is not something I personally want to do. I am a dad with a full-time job, and you know, I have baby number 6 on the way. The last thing I want to do is put all my time and effort into making 25 cents a person in my downline. Now, to be fair, you do get a $25 fast start when you bring someone new in and they become an affiliate. If they don't become an affiliate and they just become a customer, you get $5 the first month and then 25 cents per month afterwards, which is really unfortunate because I truly believe with the products that LiveGood has is if they bolstered up how much you get paid for just customers, this would be a game changer. Like, you could get customers for LiveGood all day long, but because it pays so little, it's so hard to market. So the compensation plan with LiveGood is just sadly terrible. I don't recommend any dad or mom out there to invest their time and energy into chasing making 25 cents. At that point, you might as well just go do surveys. At that point, you might as well just go scan your receipts because you'll probably make a lot more in the time than you would with LiveGood. And like I said, it sucks because I love the products. I so badly wanted to market LiveGood because I love the product, but you don't make money when you sell products with them, which is interesting. I don't know the rules there. You only get paid from the $10 a month membership, right? So there's almost no reason for you to go get customers. The only way to really do this is to go get affiliates, which really brings a lot of questions into play here. The other part too is you have to rely and hope that people actually go and recruit. If people don't duplicate, which let's face it, in 2026 with network marketing, duplication is the biggest killer. That is why so many companies, you're seeing these companies have been around forever switching to an affiliate compensation plan because no one duplicates. And when you're relying on duplication, that means you're relying on other people for your income. And that defeats the whole purpose. And the other part, let's talk about my integrity stuff. Every video I'm gonna do a review with, integrity comes into play because it matters to me, right? And I will say this, they talk way too much about how much money you can make without recruiting. Nobody's doing that. Nobody's making money from this spillover matrix crap. Nobody. I'm in groups of thousands upon thousands of LiveGood people, and no one is making money from the matrix. But yeah, that's one of their biggest pitches in their sales video is without recruiting, you can make over $2,000 a month. Bro, you need like 10,000 plus people for that to happen, and hopefully they all fall under you, or you won't make anything from it. So from an integrity standpoint, I very much dislike that. It's very misleading. It's very much hypey and gimmicky and very phony. Yes, in a perfect world, everybody's gonna fall underneath you in the matrix and you'll make a ton of money. That's their selling point though, and that's not going to happen. It's just not. It's happened for the first few people who got in LiveGood, what, 2-3 years ago, whenever it came out. But today, joining now and doing it, no, not at all. So with all of that to say, to summarize, join LiveGood as a customer. Don't bother with affiliate stuff. There's no point. There's no point in working and putting effort into making 25 cents a person. And that's not even worth the residual whatsoever. But if you are looking to get high grade supplements, certified organic, third party tested, like, dude, definitely pay the $10 a month, get the supplements that you want. You're not forced to buy every month like other businesses. So that is what I would do if you're interested in LiveGood. But if you're someone like me, a busy dad out here trying to make extra income because jobs just don't cut it anymore, I found the perfect system to do this, and you're going to be able to click the link in the description and check this out. So just as a comparison with LiveGood, let's say in LiveGood you get 10 people in to join LiveGood and build it. Do you know how much you make a residual with 10 people in LiveGood? It's about $2.50 a month. Now, if you use that same energy and brought 10 people into the system that I use, you're making about $1,128 a month residual. That means every single month, you don't have to get more sales and you'll continue to make that residually, right? So do you want $2.50 a month, or do you want $1,128 a month, right? So that is why I fell in love with the system. It's beginner friendly, it's veteran tested, it's been around for 10 years, and it's just built upon integrity and ethics and actually caring about the affiliates, right? Now, I do want to say this is not a guarantee that if you join this business that you're going to make anything, right? I don't guarantee that. I don't know you personally yet. I don't know what your work ethic's like. This is not a guarantee. But if you're looking at it on paper and how it works, do you want to spend all your time making $2.50 residual income with 10 people, or $1,100 with 10 people? And I think that's really important for parents like you and I, if you're watching this, is we don't have time to play around. We don't have time to hope people duplicate. We don't have time to make pennies for our time, right? At that point, go grab a second job. But if you are truly looking for a way to actually build a residual income in between, breaks at lunch, after the kids go to sleep, then what you're about to discover when you click the link in the description of this video is going to absolutely blow your mind. So go click that, check it out, reach out to me, let's have a conversation, because I am done letting parents waste their time on low-end compensation plans and business opportunities. If you really want a business opportunity, this is the only one that I can truly, from the bottom of my heart, recommend, and not worry that you're going to get hurt. There's no way to get hurt with this. So go check that out, guys, and leave a comment below. Am I way off kilter here with LiveGood and their 25 cent a month residual income? Or what's your experience? Talk soon.